Hi, Joe Gergich here from Harcourts and welcome to 1 Kansas Avenue here in Belpost Hill. This beautifully maintained and updated family home features 3 bedrooms, 2 living areas and a great entertainment area just out the back. And of course it's in this wonderful convenient location with Aldi and Belpost Shopping Centre just around the corner, wonderful schools, bus stops, even ring road access. I know you're going to enjoy the tour, and if you have any questions afterwards, feel free to contact me or I'll see you at the next inspection.